How to post a video on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Now go to the Videos section as shown. Select any video that you want to post from here. Then tap on Next at the bottom. You can edit the video as you like using the Edit options on the right side of the screen. Once you're done, tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings. Then, tap on Post at the bottom. You have now successfully posted this video to TikTok. Now, go back to your profile to view the post on your feed. Following these steps, you can easily post a video on TikTok.